So Tuesday, April 22. Wow, what 22nd? What happened yesterday, Monday 21st? Very interesting day. Very interesting day. And little by little, I'm like kind of like getting this accuracy that I was always expecting to have after 4 years of doing the same. All right. Let's go to the thing. I think this is the candle of today, and yeah, this is the candle of yesterday. So first of all, candle wasn't like that, but it was coming to this upper side of on the chart. All right. So if I looking at like where it's going in the upper on my chart, I need to open my eyes, right? And I need to explore a little bit to my left. So I look this line from here, and then I start to question myself. All right, what will be a place that price could bounce? Here and there from my courses that I studying, I just got to the point that just try to find the last order block with imbalance over there. So I did that. I did that and expand my order block, and we see that we have a connection there. But at that point, I have no clue that I will gonna get there, right? So Asia was really an expansion move. Rah! And I say like, all right, are we really gonna keep going push to the upside like after we grow 1.20% during the night? The answer is yes. Don't trust don't trust the market. Don't trust the logic of the market. All right. So for example, I wake up really early, so I was seeing like this kind of pushing to the upside, and let's go a little bit more technical. In case that I will want to come back and I say, all right, I have these daily cycles of the market and so on, but what was my brain doing? Where is the next turning point? So we can see that this block from here is London, and London, what it did, like just push to the upside, right? I was in the school, I will say it because he really helped me with Brian from Liquidity University, and and his book and his notes, he write that normally in London, I'm trying to reach the book. It's right here. And he say, and London, I can expect a mitigation or reversal. So if I look to my chart here back, where's London? Gray box. Where's the mitigation? Right here. All right, I have that concept on mind. Then in my head, I say, I like to sell on a sell inducement. So where's my sell inducement? Look like this not gonna work because the price just eat this. So eat all these traders that were trying to short from here. Where's my next valid point? So I don't have any valid point. All right, that's cool. But I have this point from here, which is yes or yes, inducement and lower time frame. Sell inducement. All right. So it was an internal point. So this was the internal point for sell. All right. So I have my sell inducement right here. I will sell here. Of course not, because this is building more liquidity. Why? Because I have my mitigation on top. This took me years to understand because I wanted to go into the market. I wanted to short. I wanted to put this order in the market. I don't know why, but that's what happened for long years ago. So what happened yesterday? I was waiting here peacefully on my order block, and I say, if I don't have a mitigation, I don't have a. No, I need to be true. I need to be honest. I think I short here, but I have a reaction. I was covering here, but when I have this reaction, and then I saw the price going under this level from here, I say, all right, this is my time of break even point. So I just mark myself break even in this part because the price just I mean this is my selling inducement. I will sell a selling inducement. I will go down there. Break even took me. Then what happened? I experienced the mitigation again. All right, I had the mitigation, and what do I have inside here again? Same as this configuration. Can you see it? I have the inducement, Then I have, if you're like, I mean, I saw this too because this was a beautiful cell. You have bearish breakup structure right there. You have your sell inducement right there. So in case I was a little bit faster, I can just go to mitigation because I know that I have mitigation on top. Which mitigation? I can take that guy from there, whatever you can cover there you want, but then you can go to the next equilibrium point. Like this is my IPA, IPA, EPA. I hope you know that. So break even, we were here. Where is my next level to enter? So I have my mitigation right here. I don't have any confirmation of inducement in the high, but I know that this is my high inducement for sell. But what market gives me later, it's this beautiful configuration right here where I have my fake breakup structure and I have my beautiful inducement. Okay, I have my inducement, I have my breakup structure, I have my mitigation, I have my time, I have everything on my side to do the trade. All right. So I put my trade. It was super difficult to calculate, like, all right, because the volatility from the previous day. So normally I use 2 pips, but with after Trump, 2 pips for me has been impossible to use. So I'm just using 5 pips. So 5 pips. I did my job in the low time frame. So now it's the time for the high time frame. So here's the part where you have to be like really, 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 yeah, conscious because you can. I mean, I've been in so many groups of trading, and the guys are always like, "Oh yeah, I'm trading like this, and I'm so cool." Please, if someone is looking this, don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. We're here for make money. We're here for this is our job. I mean, doing this is more than best gift ever. So be responsible with that. If you have a good entry, just go and get the money. What's your next buy inducement? So this is a fake breakup structure for the upside, right? So this is your buy inducement, right? So you have here an opportunity to take your trade out. This is completely okay. 1 to 7, it's completely okay. What I did myself, if you see this dotted line, this is the 00 hours opening day from New York. This is my 00, little tiny dotted line there. This is my 00 from the algo time opening. So if I have this guy here, if I have my Asia high here, and if I have this fake boss bullish by inducement right here, I will take my chances to go this guy because I have confluences. I have fair value gap right here. I have my previous day, I mean my day open 00 New York algorithm time. So what do? Put my trade right and the buying inducement, and I just enjoy the rest of my week free.